Hey, today I'm going to be demoing Verisoul's Zero Fake platform. As a reminder, Zero Fake is the effortless platform for stopping fake users. It helps you detect bots, duplicate accounts, and fraudsters with a 15-minute integration. During our demo today, we'll see how to configure Zero Fake, and then we'll look at 3 scenarios: multi-accounting, bot detection, and device and network risk. And first step of installing Zero Fake is configuring it. Right now I've got it set to 90% risk equals fake and 70% risk equals suspicious, which will give me a flag. Now I come down here and can set what the threshold for accounts allowed is. For this demo environment, I'm just going to set the accounts allowed as 1. Then I come down here to general risk, which looks at network, device, and email to ensure that these are trusted, real entities. And you can see all of the different factors we look at. Then I come down to our bot and AI detection. These are behavioral AI models that look at how users move the mouse, how they click, how they touch, as well as headless detection and automation frameworks. I'm going to keep all of these checked. Now that I've configured Zero Fake, I'm going to go to a demo signup. Again, Zero Fake runs completely in the background, so it's actually running on this application, though your users would never know it. It doesn't impact them. So for this, I'm going to fill out a sample sign up as if I'm creating an account for an ecosystem. Let's do my email and company. Now I'm going to hit sign up. Now I'm going to refresh this browser and I'm going to create a second account. Let's call it Stanley Yelnats, and I'll do Henry plus duplicate at Verisoul.ai, and let's put the company at Holes. And I'm going to sign up. Now I've just committed multi-accounting. Now we'll go to the Verisoul dashboard to see what we return. You can see the overview. We've got 1 suspicious account and 1 real, and you can see kind of over time, the last 30 days by geography. You can see here there's multi-accounting scores. We have 1 user with 0 and 1 with 100, which you would expect given we just committed multi-accounting. And then I can go into the accounts tab and actually see data about these users. So our Henry at Verisoul.ai was real. Our second one was suspicious and it had 100% multi-accounting probability. And you can see low risk, but it had that 1 account linked. Now, let me actually pull in our identity graph so you can see what this looks like. So you can actually see the linkage that we just created in our identity graph, knowing that these are the same kind of identity because of the device and browser match right here. Now, imagine someone tries to automate the completion of account creation. So here, I've actually got a demo form bot that I've created using Selenium. What it's going to do is basically fire up a headless web browser and find the fields like name and last name and email and the submit button, and it's going to hit all of those. What I'm going to do is, run this, and then it will populate in the dashboard, and then we can see what the results are. We're back in the Verisoul dashboard for the demo, and you can see we've added a 3rd account, and now 1 is marked fake. Let's go into the account detail. This is where the meat is. So you remember we had an Elon Musk Twitter bot, but you can see, look, bot 100% high device risk, meaning it knew it was running on kind of a headless or virtual machine. And then here, clearly, mouse bot is 100%, click bot almost 100, keyboard bot 80%. And so you can really see the behavioral AI models picking up this bot as clear. Okay, for the last demo scenario, let's create a super risky device and network. So let me connect to a VPN here, so not my traditional network. I'm now in Ireland. Let's also open up the developer tools, look at the device type we can create. So now let's choose a Surface Pro, and let me zoom in a bit. But now let's sign up again. So let's do a Sam Bankman-Fried, our friendly neighborhood fraudster, SBF at, let's say, jailmail.com, and FTX. And so these were all touch events, so let's hit sign up. And then let's go to the dashboard and see what happened. All right, so now you can see back in the dashboard, we've got a 4th account added, and we've got 2 fakes now. So I'll go to our accounts tab, and here we have SBF at Jailmail, country Ireland as expected, high 0 fake, general risk 100%, accounts linked. But so you can see here, proxy IP, VPN, data center, all detected. Alliance risk, that just means an IP that's been known for abuse. Lying, that was when we detected a mismatch between the network calls, which were coming from my laptop, and the device user agent, which we said was a Surface Pro, right? So we detected that emulator device. We also detect it and show it here in the device risk. So clearly an emulated fake device, very risky. Yeah, so those are our 3 scenarios on how to use ZeroFake behind the scenes, completely invisibly, to detect bots, duplicate accounts, and high-risk users. Thanks.